I have crepe paper here in different colors. You can take whichever color you want. You'll get the same result. So first of all, I'll be taking crepe paper in the colors that I wish to decorate. Depending on your wish, you can select the size. My crepe paper is 6 centimeters in width, so I'll take a piece of 6 centimeters wide and about 1 meter long. To make the polka dots, we are going to use marker. I have black marker, which I'll be using to make the dots. I'll be using this to make circles and to make our garland a polka dot garland. After making the first circle, wait for it to dry and continue to make all the other circles. You don't have to wait each time, but make sure that you don't stain it. How long the polka dot will be wet, it can stain anything. It can stain your clothes, it can stain the table, anything. So make sure that you have something on the surface like a paper or anything which will prevent your surface from staining. And also watch out with your clothes. These can stain very easily and also on your hands, so make sure that each circle that you make, you put it on a white paper or anything till it dries. And as soon as your crepe paper is dried, you are ready to decorate. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do check all the other decorations on my channel. I have many more decoration ideas. Make sure that you check them, and I'm sure you'll find something awesome to make your occasion special. And if you don't want to miss any of my rare, exclusive and beautiful design videos, make sure that you click on the red subscribe button so you can stay updated on all my latest decoration ideas.